guys, we are from Incentubers. In this video, we are going to differentiate the prices of Apple products between USA and India. In this video, we'll be trying to max out all the hardware and software components in Apple latest flagship products from Indian and American side. At the end of the video, we are going to compare both the prices of both the countries. So let us dive into the video, starting with the Mac section. Now we are selecting Mac Pro, which is the most expensive product in our lineup. Now we are maxing out all the components to the highest specs available. Selecting the highest processor with 1.5 TB RAM and 8 GB GDDR6 graphics card. Adding 8 GB of SSD and including the other accessories for the Mac Pro and other pre-installed softwares like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro. Let's add it into the bag. Now let's select Pro Display XDR with nano texture glass and a Pro stand for it. I think it's the expensive stand I have ever seen. As we have purchased the Pro stand, there is no requirement of mount adapter. So let's add into bag. Now we'll get back to the Mac section and select the iMac Pro. And let's start configuring it with the highest processor, 256 GB RAM, 16 GB HBM2 graphics card with 4 TB SSD and the accessories for iMac Pro with same pre-installed softwares. Now let's select 16-inch MacBook and max out the processor to i9 9th Gen and upgrade the RAM up to 64 GB DDR4 and 8 GB HBM2 graphics card with the SSD up to 8 TB. Now install all the pre-installed softwares in it. Now add to a bag and let's move to the iPad section. Now select the iPad Pro with 12.9-inch display. I like Space Gray, so I am selecting it, and select the 1 TB with Wi-Fi and cellular option, and let's add it to bag. Now let's go to the watch section and select the Apple Watch Series 6. There are many variants in these watches. I am selecting the white color one with stainless steel case and a sports band to it. Let's select 44mm thickness and add it to the bag. Now we are entering into the most awaited product from Apple, the fastest iPhone ever made, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now we are going to add iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 GB Pacific Blue into our bag. Let's check out the Indian Apple bag. The iPhone costs around 1,59,900. The Apple Watch costs around 73,900. The iPad costs 1,48,900. And the MacBook costs 6,70,300. iMac Pro costs 13,70,200. The Mac Pro costs 42,85,200. Pro Display XDR costs 5,29,900. Pro stand costs 95,000 and the total amount of the Apple bag costs 73,40,800 only. Have included in the Indian bag with American prices, and the total bag costed $86,787. Now you can compare the prices of individual Apple products by using this table. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Incentubers.